Hello, the Acrobat is Friday 26th of October, and like I promised, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the exercises on the Master Planche training tutorial. And but before we start, I have to tell you something. You know, the other day in that little video I did, jumping in one hand, I did something really bad, and I mean, I should know better. To be honest, you have no better. I didn't warm up properly to do the especially the jumping in one hand. If you remember, I was jumping in one hand, bouncing one hand, and it was fine. It was okay while I was doing it, and no problem. So as the day went by, my shoulder started to feel a little bit stiff. Went to sleep, and about 4 o'clock in the morning, I couldn't lift my arm at all. And I tell you what, guys, for the first time in a long time, I was actually in tears. I thought I did something very, very wrong with my shoulder. Luckily, I'm a lot better now. I took all my precaution. But guys, seriously, let that be an example of why you should warm up. I'm talking about warm up. That's the first thing we're going to start. You probably know all the shoulder rotation, basic stuff. I'm not going to teach you anything that you don't, you know already. So you're going to do the basic rotation. As you can see, much better now. Ooh, happy. Then forward. You do that until you feel the burn in your shoulder, and then you're going to stretch back of your shoulder just by pulling. Keep the arm straight and pull toward your body with the other one. Hold that. Feel the stretch here. Same with the other one. Okay, and hold it for a few seconds yourself. And then very important, your wrist. Slow little circles to the right, to the left, until you feel warm. And then you stretch your forearm just by placing your arm facing up. Then pull your fingers toward your body. Straight. Okay, just like that. Same with the other one. Okay, I will get into details, warm up in another video. And today, first video. This is the very first video you're going to find in the Master Planche tutorial, and it's basic stuff. But I tell you what, basic doesn't mean it's not important. It is the more important thing. And you're going to see we're going to go from sitting down, tack to stand. So tack, stand. Very simple technique on that one. You're going to see. Lean forward, don't place your hands too far from your knees, just a little bit closer, you're going to see it, and then you lean forward and tack from your chest, round, you bring your pelvis forward and round you back as much as you can, and keep pushing while you lean forward, and then bring your feet to the ground and stand up. Okay, let's go for it, boys. This is a one. Okay. I'm going to take my shirt off so you can see the running on the back. Basically, just leave it down. Remember, you don't want to place your hand too far forward. No, you have to throw out all the way. So hands more or less in line with your knee. Then you're going to just first lean forward. See what's happening there? Leaning forward and tapping my chest in. I'm not doing this. Leaning forward, tapping my chest in. Okay, and this is the full movement. And lean forward, tap. So as you can see, lean forward, round your back, keep pushing, straight arm, lock your elbow right from the beginning, remember that. And keep rounding your back, pushing with your shoulder, lean forward, okay? Bring it in. You don't need to go all the way up in the beginning, just lean forward, hold the position and tack down again. After the first step. Lean forward. Seriously, guys, as simple as that. Very important, very important. Keep your arm around your back, lean forward, around your back, push, 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 all the way up. That is gonna get your shoulders strong for the planche and your entire core. Have fun, and I'll see you in a couple of days. Okay, practice, practice. If you got any problem, any doubt, just write me a note, and I will help you the best I can. And if you're comfortable sending the video for reviewing, do that. Please do that. Okay, guys. See you on blah blah blah. What's the day today? Friday, Sunday. Next video. Okay, work on it, guys. And like I say, if you got any problem, just let me know. Have fun. Ciao.